NEET UG 2021 aspirants, uh, I have received some comments from uh, some of the aspirants, and they were asking about the postponement of NEET UG 2021, which is going to be conducted by on 12th September 2021. They have started a particular group of aspirants of NEET UG 2021. In fact, they are tweeting to Education Ministry also and NTA also. Coming to that point, uh, before coming to that point, I want to discuss with you and I want to acknowledge you about the examination dates which will be conducted in first 15 days of September. Actually, on 3rd September 2021, uh, Engineering, Agricultural and Pharmacy Common Entrance Test 2021 of Andhra Pradesh will be conducted. Examination dates are 3rd September, 6th September and 7th September. Apart from that, 7th September is the examination date for AIEEA 2021 for undergraduate courses conducted by ICAR, Indian Council of Agricultural Research, in which many undergraduate they are conducting for the admission of many undergraduate courses, including BTech Agricultural Engineering also. Then and that examination will be conducted on 7th September, 8th September and 13th September. Here point to note is that Engineering, Agriculture and Pharmacy Common Entrance Test 2021 one date 7th September is coinciding with the examination date of AIEEA 2021 conducted by Indian Council of Agricultural Research also. Again, CBSE is going to conduct the examination of dissatisfied students also who are not satisfied with the marks allotted to them, and their examination of chemistry will be conducted on 6th September and physics on 9th September. Similarly, those students who are not satisfied with their 12th result in MP board is conducting physics examination on 11th September and biology on 30th September. Again, COMED K will be organized on 14th September actually. Now coming to the point that what the officials of NTA and Education Ministry have told is that they are telling that altogether 16.1 lakh students, means 16 lakhs 10,000 students are registered for NEET UG 2021, and your examination date, present date which has been declared is 12th September 2021, as you know. They have NTA has already acknowledged you and notified you to download your admit card by 9th September 2021 onwards. They are telling, according to the officials of Education Ministry and NTA, logistics is the big will be a big issue if this examination will be further postponed, and it will take 60 to 70 days at least to organize again your examination. Normally it takes 3 months 90 days to conduct such type of examination, they are telling. So, and further they are telling that this is the right time to conduct this examination under the time period of uncertainty due to lot of reasons like expectation of third wave of COVID also. So unless until, I will suggest you that unless until NTA is not notifying you about further postponement, please don't discontinue your study, and keeping 12th September 2021 in your mind, you continue your study and go through PYQs and mock tests so that you can brush up your knowledge. So okay, so I will suggest you to go with that only. That is the best option. So best of luck for your examination. If you are liking my video, please share it and like it. And of those who are new to my channel, please subscribe it, share it and like it. So once again, best of luck for your examination. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Have a nice day.